Hi friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to the channel. I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourselves and our family. In today's video, I have taken a walkathon challenge. In this walkathon challenge, I'm going to cover 10 kilometers from my place by walking, and I hope I fulfill this challenge and I come out successful covering 10 kilometers through work. And for that, let's begin my journey. So I'm starting quite early, near about 6 o'clock. I'm starting, and yes, I hope I will do that. So for that, I have already set my clocks. I have kept a target of 5,000 steps by default to cover every day, but let's see how many steps we can cover. So the locality where I stay, I can go round and round all the buildings and complete 10 kilometers. And you can see kids out there and have started playing football and this beautiful bush. So yes, let's begin our journey. At first, I would like to bow down before starting my journey and this challenge, Lord Ganpati Temple, and with the sun at the horizon, and it's really nice and enchanting view. The cloud has completely covered the sun, yet I can see the sun rays. And yes, I'm taking the service road on the national state highway, and on that, let's begin our walkathon journey. Here I have a cute little dog that following my way. So yes, this journey is going to be amazing, and here I am walking. So actually the atmosphere now is so cool and calm, just after the sun has risen above the horizon, and there is no much crowd. People have just started coming out, and yes, this sidelines of the wall of the road have been beautifully planted trees, and last night raindrops. Wow, it is so beautiful. It's like pearl, and I wish I would have a DSLR, then I could have taken good pictures. This is just best time for a photographer to experiment in the photography journey. Now slightly the sun is rising above the horizon, and it is the whole atmosphere is getting heated up. Still the clouds are there, I hope, and even though it's scorching heat now, I can feel the heat. Still I wish to complete my work. And after working for a while, I just checked my phone. I came to know that I have already completed my daily target of work, that is 5,000 steps. So yeah, that's a victory. So I've reached my first target of my daily goal of work. Now let's move ahead and go a little bit far. Let's push ahead and complete this 10-kilometer journey. And I also am very much excited to see how much steps does this 10-kilometer cost. Okay, so yes, such a beautiful greenery, and this greenery really motivated me to go ahead and come outside of that apartment and walk on the road. Such a green, lush green fields, clean roads, beautiful sky with lot of clouds. But yeah, I got a little tired, and so not tired, but just to charge up my battery. So I'm taking a short break here, just for 5 minutes, and yeah, just waiting for some time for my body to get charged up. And now let's yes, now this charging up is over. Now let's start. And thanks to my cameraman, he was working with me, also shooting me, so really thanks to him. And yes, our journey has again begun, and yeah, that's awesome. Like, I really feel nice and energetic walking all the way. So yeah, guys, have you ever done a walkathon? Do let me know in the comment section below. And how far have you walked in this walkathon? Basically, there's a marathon, but I thought let's start with a walkathon and let's check my strength and stamina and on that. I will go ahead with a marathon soon. And yes, on the way, I found some of my friends. Yeah, these cows have also come out and they are having their morning breakfast here. So I just want to say hi to them and ask how is the day going. So yeah, I found some cows and they were happy with their friends. And yes, so seeing them, I also felt hungry, but no ways, I have to reach my target, then get my breakfast. So the goodbye to them, and let's start moving. And well, it's a nice thing. I explored a lot of thing while going in this walk, and that's the best part of choosing, because I also came across a beautiful pond of water lily. There were so many water lily that has just blossomed, and it was so enchanting view to see these water lilies, it was so amazing to see all of them. And you can see the greenery around, and the freshness, and the cool calm atmosphere. Wow, that was a just best walkathon I could have ever guessed. Now, after that, I walked for some while, and then I checked that I have reached 7,500 steps, and we have reached our milestone. Like, we have covered 5 kilometers, and there are more 5 kilometers to reach Sri Perumbudur, which is my target point. And that's really motivated me, and we kept moving instead of the heat and the sweat. Okay, and yes, these flowers are too awesome. And yeah, the heat was rising, so we just focused on walk, and we started rigorously walking for some miles. Just tried to speed up the process so that we don't get burned with the sun. But yeah, thanks to this walkathon, we could able to get some vitamin D, also early morning vitamin D, which we usually don't get in our busy schedule, and moreover work from home. So yeah, that was a good thing. And in this journey, we also find this beautiful thing landing on this road. These are all Bharat Bench truck skeleton models. They were there on the roadside. I think they were about to get transported to some place, or I don't know why they were there, but I was lucky enough to see all these products lying there, and I took some photos with them. There was so interesting thing to see such a varieties and go to the inside designing and everything and watch them. It was really nice. Like I was feeling like I'm inside Bharat Bench factory and going across all their product line. So the experience was really nice, looking all these amazing trucks there. Yeah, and to my surprise, I also saw this flight going over my head. It's a Blue Dart flight, and yeah, you can see the shadow on of the flight on the clouds. So yeah, that's what I wanted to capture with all this amazing beauty. I also got a little tired and exhausted, but then it's happened when you work for so long. So I took a small rest there for around 5 minutes, hardly less than 5 minutes. But then there is this gigantic beauty there of 110 kilowatt power line. So yeah, we were just reminding our college time and sitting there. So yes, these towers were so beautiful to have. Then finally, after walking some miles, we finally reached our target, that is Sri Perumbudur, and it was such a happy moment for me. I checked my phone for the steps that I have covered. It came around 13,581 steps, and I have done 272% of my today's goal. So yeah, that was really so satisfying achievement, and to encourage and to reward me, I sat on that milestone and took some pictures. But then the journey didn't end there. We went inside Sri Perumbudur to take a cab and come back to home. So totally we covered 17,000 steps, and it is around 13 kilometers. So this 13 kilometers made so many good memories, and here I'm sharing photos with you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this walkathon video, and if you have, then please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and yes guys, please support by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. See you soon in the next video. Till then, let's live, connect and grow. Bye.